I don't know what you heard about me.
This is Rise on Tea, Eugene and Moni Valentine.
Okay, good morning everybody. Coffee and oolong tea and a cake. Just got up. Beautiful day. Woo! Back to my spot again. Water, liquid. Morning. Big money. What's going on in the world? COVID. The hell. Let's turn on some news. CNN, Fox, OAN. Crazy damn world. Let me see what the hell's going on so far. News. Let's see ABC first. Fox, ABC.
The George Floyd law enforcement trust.
Here we go. George Floyd again. Let's see Fox.
The Ohio Distance and Electronic Learning Academy is a tuition-free
Advertising.
public school for grades K through 12, taught by.
Oh, Fox is doing the same thing.
I want to say that
What's going on here? Oh well. Let me have my coffee first then. Morning, people.